Hi everyone, and today I'm back with a new video, and this time Daveda Lane is hosting a collaboration today, which is a full or Halloween hutch or display. Well, now my hutch is here, which you saw earlier in the week with my lantern centerpiece on it. So I thought today, oh, there's just rag garland orders I've got to pack up. Today I thought I'd just show you what I do on top of a bookcase that holds some of my DVDs. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see in here, but I have like a wooden trough tray that I got at a second-hand store, and Simon chalk painted it for me and stressed it. And I have my lamp, which looks like an original oil lamp sitting in it. And this is the display I did this year. I got the witch off eBay back in the summer, and she's in the sort of primitive country style. So I thought I'd really like to pull out some purples, which I'm really pleased that I did. I've used some purple hydrangeas, obviously some orange ones, and another purple one there, and some of these purple flowers here, some of these orange Chinese lanterns, and they're all in a vase, and these two pumpkins. And I'm really enjoying my chicken collection this year, and adding those into vignettes. And there's just a little handmade pumpkin that I made, and a chicken chalkboard that says Happy Fall that I drew with some pumpkins on it, and this fabulous Scarecrow guy, which is primitive handmade. And then I've just got the lexicon cards strung up on a piece of jute twine, just pegged on there that says spells autumn. And then one of my handmade rag garlands using the Halloween colours over the picture. So just really simple. So I can back up enough so you guys can see. So yeah, just so simple, and just lots and lots of florals. And I've just used an old pine garland that I got one year, I think it was at the car boot sale, just to anchor all the foliage into. So, and I always like to sort of tie ribbons round lampshades and things like that, just to add a little touch of whimsy. So that's my offering. It's a really, really nice bright sunny day here today in Bedford, so that's really nice. So, guys, I hope you like this little vignette, just a real quick simple vignette for you, but I love all the florals and I think it looks very, very autumnal. So guys, I shall speak to you soon. Bye guys.